मॉर्निंग. सो आज है 9th of June. Yeah, 9th of June and tomorrow Simba का vaccination day है. So we are going for the vaccination and here he is. Such a sweetheart. Yeah, stay tuned. हाँ, so basically हम लोग पहुँच ही गए. Come, go. Come here. Bravo! Yay! Come here. Aja. Yes! Oh, good boy.
Oh, aste logo. Simba.
Oh.
No, baby.
Bravo!
No, baby. Okay, so whatever clippings you have seen now, that it is totally Vat Savitri Puja, which is a festival, you can say, like for all the married women who out there, they actually pray for the long life of the husband and well-being of the family. So today that was the festival, and because of this COVID situation, my mom couldn't go out for any festival kind of a thing, because here in this festival actually women used to gather together and they used to pray, I guess, banyan tree or people. I am really confused, I'm so sorry. I'll mention. And so there they used to gather together, then pray to the god, and they used to serve. Let me show you like how exactly they used to have a different variety of fruits, and together they used to cut it up and distribute it, and that's also just to avoid gathering due to COVID stuff. That's the reason we just thought of doing all the rituals here in our home temple only. So yeah, that's the stuff. And as you have already seen the first clipping of like 9th of June. That's the vaccination day of Simba. So I just thought, I have seen a lot of people doing separate videos for that and everything, and whatever clippings you have seen, it was so too short for a vlog. So I just thought that I'll just have a look. I will observe whatever is happening with Simba after post vaccination, and I'll share it with you, because I am the first. It's like Simba is our first child, you can say, like the first pet we are having. So I'll just let you know what exactly mistakes I have done, or what can be rectified, and tips and tricks, like what exactly I have learned. So if you're agar aapko sunai diya what's that Hanuman Chalisa, it's like my mother's ringtone. She's a die-hard believer of God, even I do, to all religion. I'm being very specific, okay. So here he is, my sweetheart. He's such an active dog, I must say. Let me just show you. he will be like, just leave me down. Like, see. He's so freaking active, okay? And after he got his vaccination, he was so slow and so frustrated. I mean, exhausted, you can say. Okay, he was so exhausted and he was like drowsy, sleeping all over. And when he got up after 2 hours, like after the vaccination, he had his food and he slept. And after 3 hours, he actually couldn't get up. Okay, because of his I believe it was his left leg. I mean the back leg, where he got his vaccine, and it was really tough for him. Okay, he actually screamed, like. So after that, he couldn't walk, and he actually wouldn't have his food properly because he was in such a pain, and he got his fever, and he was not interested. Technically, it is 48 hours, like 48 hours to make your dog properly fit. But he's such an active fitness freak, I would say, that he just got up in 4 hours and he was running all around and everything. So yeah, so I just had a word with the vet, and he told, like, after maybe 2 months you can feed your dog with whatever food you want, but till 2 months it's really mandatory to get him Cerelac. And also you can feed him like some rice and curd, or boiled vegetables, mashed boiled vegetables. So that would be great for that. So now I have to change my clothes, and I have to leave for my brother's vaccination, because today he's also getting vaccinated. So I need to rush, and I'll see you in the bath. सो बेसिकली हम लोग वैक्सीन करके आ गए. लाइक मेरे भाई का हुआ एंड मुझे स्लॉट नहीं मिला था, सो मेरा नहीं हो पाया. सो मेरा 21st के बाद होगा. एंड वैक्सीन देने के बाद हम लोग घर आए. देन वी हैड फूड एंड स्लेप्ट. सो मैंने व्लॉग आधे में छोड़ दिया था. सो आई जस्ट वांटेड टू कंप्लीट इट. एंड इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेश्चन, अगर आप चाहते हो कि सिम्बा का रूटीन जानना है, so let me know in the comment section below. I will definitely post it up. And thank you so much for watching this, you guys. I love you. I know I'm a beginner like for a pet, but I can suggest you. मुझे जितना experience हुआ है सिम्बा के साथ, I can share it with you. And if at all it will be helpful, I would be glad to help you out. Bye.